Oh no, our worst enemy, electrical engineering. Not some DC circuits, it's AC circuits, and that's even worse. Phasor diagrams, Laplace transformations, vectors and stuff. Oh my god, what are we gonna do? Let me read this one. An anmeter, an anemometer, and a voltmeter and a wattmeter were installed in the AC circuit and read 15 amps, root mean squared, of course, 115 volts, root mean squared, of course, 1500 volts. I don't think that's a power symbol. It's volts. What did I say? 1500 watts, respectively. What? The power factor of the circuit is most nearly. Let me tell you, I'm a mechanical engineer, and I studied for 4 whole years. And I never heard the term power factor. So let me give you a pro tip on the exam. I know it's going to be digital. If for some godforsaken reason you were given an exam location that was in 500 BC, BC as in before Christ, and you were probably sharing pencils with Fred Flintstone, this tip is not helpful for you. If you don't know what the power factor is, like I didn't, just Control F that digital handbook that you have on your computer screen. Just Control F, Control Find, power factor, boom, bob, bing, and what you get is this god dang equation. I like saying the word god dang. And cosine theta. This is the equation you get from that handbook. Ain't that heaven sent? What does it all mean? Well, if this is the power factor, if you don't know what the power factor was and this was the equation you're given, well, you're like, how do I find the power factor if I don't even know what it is? Well, let's do some critical thinking here. We're given current, we're given voltage, and we're given power. Well, let's see what we have in the equation. We got power, voltage, current, and then we don't have this term. What is this cosine theta? Well, cosine theta, if you remember, it's a dimensionless number, meaning there's no dimension with that number. It's just a number. It has no physical, tangible measurement thing in this universe. It's just a number. So what that means, this is your power factor. That's crazy, isn't it? Pretty crazy. So essentially, if we just solve for theta, or cosine theta, I should say, this is going to be your power factor right here. Pretty straightforward. So 1500 watts. Make sure you're on SI units, which we are, thank God. Amps, and then voltage. So you do this calculation right here. You get the cosine of theta, which is our power factor, of 0.87. Easy clap, easy money. Let's get that FE exam certificate so we can join the workforce and hopefully not mess up.